Hello there, I'm James Kluskens, an instructor here at PC Pro Schools. This is going to be an instructional video on how to uninstall a program from a Windows 7 computer. So let's begin. Okay, in this demonstration we are going to show you how to uninstall a program using programs and features of Windows 7. You might remember this as add and remove programs in Windows XP if you happen to be an XP user coming into Windows 7. But on your Start menu, you'll have Control Panel. Now what I'm going to assume is that your control panel is likely in, and I can switch this right up here, likely in the category view. It's the default view of the control panel, and it just helps make things a little bit more, a little bit neater, I guess we'll say, organized. And there's a programs option. Now if you were in the other view that I was started in, you'll see programs and features down towards the bottom because they are listed in alphabetical order. I'll click on this, and then in programs and features itself, you got a couple of options, but really, to be honest, you could click on uninstall the program, or you can click on programs and features. You're really getting it in the same spot. This is the place that Microsoft Windows 7 shows all of the different programs that are installed. So it should be a list of everything that you have installed yourself, or maybe came with the machine, or whatever the case may be. This is the proper and safe way to uninstall programs. Diving into the program files folder and just deleting a folder, that doesn't really work. So we want to avoid that. I'm going to uninstall this program right here. And when you select it, you'll see that uninstall appears, and you can also right click and there's an uninstall option too. So either way accomplishes the same task. But I'm a fan of just right clicking because this seems faster. Now after this, you'll get the programs uninstall wizard to appear, and they all vary slightly, but they're usually straightforward enough. Some might be a little more advanced than this, and they might ask for you to, if you want to remove certain components or all components, they might list checkboxes. Depends on your goal, but likely if you're removing a program, it's the whole thing. Therefore I select uninstall, and it's completed. Very short uninstallation. Some take a long time. And what I mean by long time is that maybe a few minutes. And this one did not take very long at all. Now if, and I don't know if any of you ever browse around on your C drive, which is in computer, on Windows 7, right here. But if you ever browse around on your C drive and you go into program files, if you have uninstalled the program properly, as I just showed you, and you see the programs folder still existing in the program files folder, which is in here, right here, program files, you can typically delete it manually. Just right click, delete, or highlight and select delete with your, or hit the delete key. Those will work, but you usually do not even have to worry about that. Sometimes an uninstallation of a program will require a restart, and it's advisable to do that. That's it. I will now close out add and remove, or I'm sorry, programs and features, and we are completed. Alright, so there you have it. A few reasons why a person might want to perform that action. Well, maybe this is a brand new PC you just purchased and there's some programs that you don't need or want. You can uninstall them safely using the methods I just showed you. Also, you might want to free up disk space as well, and that is a safe way of freeing up disk space, maybe to allow for more room for programs that you might need. Thanks for watching.